Hello students, welcome to this lecture. Today's topic is operators in Java. As in the last few semesters, you have gone through different languages like C, C++, other languages. And in these languages, operators does exist. And with the same scenario, uh, Java does have an operator category of operators. So let us see one by one what are different kinds of the operator categories. The first category that comes in my mind is arithmetic operator. The second category which comes in my mind is relational operator. Third one, bitwise. Fourth one will be logical. Fifth one will be assignment. Sixth one will be miscellaneous operators. Each and every particular category does have its role, and we are going to see each particular category one by one with the help of the examples. The first category that we are going to see is arithmetic. Arithmetic operator. The arithmetic operators are used in mathematical expressions in the same way as they are using in the algebraic expressions. The arithmetic operators does exist. When we talk about binary arithmetic operators, there must be two operands and one operator. That should be an arithmetic operator. And some of the arithmetic operators also supports unary operator. The operator which comes in this particular category are, it will be plus. We see the addition operator. It's an addition operator. Second one that is going to be in this category is the minus. We call it as a subtraction operator. Third one which comes in this category is the star, that we call as a multiplication operator. Fourth one that is in this category is the division operator. The fifth one is modulus operator. Sixth one is double plus, that we call as an increment. Seventh one will be minus minus, that we call as a decrement. Sorry, decrement. Decrement. These are the seven operators that preliminary fall under the category of arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators, when talk about they, all the particular operators does exist on the binary operator. That means plus will have two operands and an operator, minus will have two operands and one operator, similarly or. But some of the operators within this category does fall under the unary operations as well, like subtraction is also a unary operator, plus plus minus minus is also a unary operator. Let us see some examples related to the these arithmetic class of operators. See, we have a particular class here. So let's create one more file. by the name of operators. So one file is being created by the name of operators. So let us remove these spaces so that it will be viewable. So public class operator. First one will be public. Public static void main string args. So say for example we are writing like this: int a equivalent to 10 comma or int b equivalent to 20. In order to demonstrate each and every operator, so what we are going to do, we have taken two operators, say a equivalent to 10 and b equivalent to 20. So we are going to see each and every particular category of operators that we have, like increment, decrement, modulus operator, that means a division operator, and all of these particular operators. In say we are going to use system.out.println summation or addition operator, addition equivalent to a plus b. So we have taken addition of two numbers. Similarly, system.out.print subtraction equivalent to say plus a minus b. System.out.println division equivalent to plus say b divided by a, then system.out.println modulus equivalent to plus b percent 2 say, then system.out.println increment equivalent to plus a plus plus system.out.print decrement equivalent to minus minus b, sorry, b minus minus. So let us do these particular things first. So we have taken the arithmetic operator addition, the subtraction, multiple, sorry, division we have not taken yet multiplication. So let's take multiplication as well. System.out.print multiplication equivalent plus plus A multiplied by B. So let us run this particular first. Let us see. We have taken addition, subtraction, multiplication. Uh, we have taken division, modulus, increment, and decrement. So let's run this file. So this is running the file. See, it shows us addition is equivalent to 30. So obviously 10 plus 20 equivalent to 30. Subtraction equivalent to 20 because minus 10 because uh, we have told compiler that a minus b is 10, b is minus 20, so it will become 20 10 minus 10. So multiplication equivalent to 200, so 220 multiplied by 10 is obviously 200. Division is 2 because 20 divided by uh, obviously 20 divided by 10 is equivalent to 2. The modulus is 0. When we talk about a remainder is nothing because it is perfectly divided by 2. So increment is 10, A is 10, obviously B decrement is 20, sorry. So if we talk about this thing, if we talk about this is a post increment. If we are going to use increment, pre-increment, it will be plus A and system.out.print pre-decrement plus minus B. So in order to run this particular thing, let us see what will be the output. So above output will be same, but pre-increment is 12 and pre-decrement is 80. So two increments are being invoked at this time and two decrements. How? Because after execution, it increments one value. That means it will become 10 plus 1, 11. A will become 11. And after that, we are again pre-incrementing it by plus. That means it will become now onwards to 12. Same is with case B. B actually takes decrement, that means B minus, so it will be 20 minus 1 19, and after that we are decrementing it, that means decrement it first then print the statement. Here print the statement then decrement it. This is the difference between pre and post. In case of post, first it displays the things in this statement and then it decrements it. In case of pre, it decrements first and then it shows that particular value. Hope that you are clear with the arithmetic operators. The second category that we are going to see today is relational operators. Within the relational operators, we have certain subtypes. Say one is double equivalent, we call that as a equal to operator. Second one is not equivalent to, not equal to. Third one is greater than. Fourth one is less than. Fifth one will be greater or equivalent to. sixth one will be less or equivalent. That means we have six subtypes of relational. The first is the equivalent. Second one we call it not equivalent, greater than, less than, or greater or equivalent to, less or equivalent. Let us take one example related to this one. Say we are going to have demo new class and we are going to have relational. So we are going to add public static void main string array arcs, and now let us see one by one what operators. Say for example int a equivalent to 20, int b equivalent to say 30. So in order to check whether A is equivalent to B, we have an operator, as we have already seen in this particular category is the equivalent operator. So in order to do it programmatically, write down like that system dot out dot print A is equivalent to B if A equivalent to B. Similarly, system.out.println A is not A is not equal to B, then what we are going to see, we are going to have like this plus A not equivalent to B. Similarly, system.out.print A is B is greater than A, then plus B greater than A. System.out.print A is less than B plus A less than B. System.out.print, we are just copying these two, control C, control V, greater or equivalent and less or equivalent. So greater or equivalent or less than or equivalent. So let us see, run this file, see what will be the output. We have seen that here A equivalent to B is false because A is not equivalent to, we have taken A equivalent to 20 and B equivalent to 30. A is not equivalent to B, obviously A is not B equivalent to B, true. B is greater than A, B is greater than A, and it is true. B A is less than B, it is again true. B is greater than or equivalent to A, true, and A is less than or equivalent to B, true. So this is what we call These are the relational operators that you see. It is useful in comparison operators, comparing two things between each other, making the scenario like whether it is greater or less than equivalent to each other. So hope that you have understood relational operators as well. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.